Today I want to talk about the power of just starting. Just starting helps you with execution, taking action, developing skills, and essentially just starting the compound growth of your future. Focus on just starting today. Do one task that gets you one step closer to your goals, to your achievements, to your success. If you are building a business, a personal brand, or just anything, if you're learning a skill or developing a product, or if you're even an athlete, just work on it today. Write something down right now. I give you 3 seconds and just do this today. It doesn't have to be a big thing. Don't just say, okay, I'm going to develop this product in one day. No, just start with, today I'm going to claim the URL for my new business. Just a website. Or today I'm going to build a landing page for my email list. Or today I'm going to read 10 pages in a book that's teaching me how to sprint faster. I don't know. But choose one thing and do it today. It will give you this real dopamine hit and not just from social media, and it will get you going. The compound growth is not about how much you input into the system every day, but it's how long that you're staying in the system consistently every single day. That's what gets you growth, the real exponential growth over the long term. So sit down, work on yourself, then you can enjoy yourself. You don't have to change your lifestyle from 0 to 100 in one day, but start today. It's really important. And I'm starting today with, my daily tasks today maybe were doing some outreach for my business, getting to know some more people, just going to the gym, or reading 10 pages in a book, or half an hour in a book, or going for a walk, or maybe also doing my taxes. I had to do my taxes today. It's nothing fun, but I had to do it, and now I'm relieved that I did it, and it's all fine now. So just start today and the growth will start. And not just that, you have to keep going. Just starting today won't get you there, but start today and keep going every single day. If you're feeling comfortable with the volume that you're doing right now, add a little more, and then keep chipping it up. And after that, after some time, you will get to whole work days of focus and really high input, high output, high leverage work. But you have to start somewhere, and you have to start changing your life. Build your personal brand, start an online community, and develop a profitable business. That's what's going to get you ahead. Those are my 3 tips. If you want to know anything about that more, just hit me up, comment, DM on Instagram, write me an email, go to my website, or just click on the newsletter link. I'll let you know. And don't forget, keep building.